Earlier today, we saw a major leak for the upcoming Honor Magic 7 Lite, complete with specs and pricing. Honor Italy went ahead and listed its Magic 7 Lite on its official website in titanium purple and black colors. The listing does not come with pricing or official specs, as the device has still not been officially announced, but we do get confirmation that it will be available in 8/256 GB and 8/512 GB trims. As per the previous leak, Magic 7 Lite will be a rebadged Honor X9C with a 6.78-inch OLED, FHD plus 120Hz, Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset and a 108MP main cam. The phone is also expected to pack a 6,600 mAh battery with 66W charging and boot Android 14 with macOS 8.0. Pricing is expected to be in the €370 to €380 range. Tell us in comments below if whether you are interested to buy Honor Magic 7 Lite or not.